all my grandma's clothes. I look incredible. I make 'em prettier. You'll see in this video. Hi friends! Today I'm making this pajama set cuter by adding a lettuce hem. So, let us begin! First I took the garter out with a seam ripper. Then I wrap the garter around my waist, making sure it sits comfortably. I cut off the extra elastic I didn't need, then sewed the two ends together. The next part might be confusing, so watch carefully. Divide the elastic into 4 equal parts by marking the ends when you lay it flat. Then match up the first 2 markings, then mark the last 2 ends. Next, pin the markings on the 4 ends of the bottom's waistband. Added 4 more pins by stretching the elastic and pinning the middle. Sew on the elastic close to the edge, making sure to stretch while you sew. Fold it over, then sew again. You can also sew a second layer of stitching, but I didn't find it necessary. Next, I marked how long I wanted the bottom to be. I cut it out, folded the pants, then cut the other leg. If the front part is shorter, you can trim it more. Set your sewing machine setting to a zigzag stitch with the stitch length between 0 and 1 and the highest stitch width. With some scrap fabric, fold and stitch right on the edge, and make sure to stretch while you sew. Once you're happy with the hem, do it on the hem of the shorts. For the top, I wanted to crop it a little, so I folded the bottom and marked it. Measured how much I needed to remove, then cut it out. hem the bottom with a lettuce hem.